jeep papunta ng Liata Beach. Parte pa rin to ng aming interlude. Kaya, we're just having fun.
Tagal kong sa pagmamahal, ilang beses nang nasasaktan. Sana hindi na mo ulit ang dati. Ayoko na munang maulit ang dati. Sa'yo lang baliw, sa'yo lang nagkakalito. Sa'yo naramdaman na puso ko lahat.
And there you have it, guys. Wala akong
Oh my god, why is that there's no Pulangi there?
Look at that.
Unang nag-isip.
Alam niya kasing kasama.
Noise!
Because she's her very best. Hi, official God members. Jorik as president. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Salamat.
Dito ako may iiwan. Nung Tuesday.
Makikita ba ito? Makikita niyo ba ito?
Friday, may walang red them.
Nice.
Wala. Nakita niya na tayo kanina, di siya nagtayo. Hindi man niya nagtayo.
Gusto ko magtusok-tusok. Uy, wala akong sinasabi.
Ay, hindi talaga sumasabay kahit sa ano.
Parang pwede kang sa dyan. Tama. Approximate.
Ang forma pa lang, pyramid na agad.
Gusto mo, mukha nagkapunta lang mo ba ko?
Form pa lang daw yan, may triangle lang.
Kanta muna, kanta! 1, 2, 3! Birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Part-time muna.
Oh, kanta! Bakit ang aga mo?
Tapos kami maglalakad.
Oh!
Sige ako ng third care. May third care. Third care ngayon. May kasama cake pala ako dyan. Cube. Oh, cube.
Hindi ka kumakain ng kamatis.
Okay na lang.
Pipili yun ako. Tapos, hindi pa nagabin yun.
Remember that every setback can be a stepping stone toward future success. Go forth with courage and conviction. You are ready for the challenge. With all our best wishes. 100% for Batch Million.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my camera.
Ay ka. Kunwari ay ka, bibidyoan kita. Ay ka. Hi friends! Hi friends! Today is our second Saturday class in CHN. I don't know what to expect right now. Pero one thing is for sure, hindi kami fresh or sila lang yung fresh. Napakainit ngayon ang araw na to. Ang puti init? Is back. Aika. And Tommy na may bangs. May bangs siya ngayon. And ito si Ina. And Rere. Si Catalina sila. Bakit absent si ano? Anyways, hopefully, ma-edit ko to by September. Sana ma-edit ko to by September. Kasi kung hindi, I'll be very sad by then. Mamaya may klase kami. And makakauwi ako bulan ngayon. Praise to you, Jesus Christ. Yun lang. This is my class. This is the BSN 3B. 3B na kami. Imagine that, 3B. Yeah. And kami pa rin yung people at the back until now. Yun lang naman. Bye-bye.
Tapos yung lahat ng yon, pwedeng meron sa whole blood. Meron ng protein.
Baby, baby,
Huwag mong agawin, Andre. Huwag mong agawin.
there will always be space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe enough time will pass. We'll look back and laugh. Just don't forget it. And maybe I'm wrong for writing this song, losing my head over you. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. I pray they stay the same always. And I don't care if you're with somebody else. I'll give you time and space.
Hindi, new adventure to.
Pretty lady used to walk with me down Bloor Street. Oh, what a time.
Talaga.
I still remember the fuss and the fight and the light. It's all fine, you'll always be mine. And maybe I'm wrong.
Antay ka nagunga? Uto yun naman sana. Hindi, sabi ikaw.
Gusto mo lang talaga magtanong.
Sabi sa'yo. Bigla na lang siya nag-hoy. Iniwasan natin yung pollution. Yun yun.
We both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. Pray they stay the same always. And
Ito na, search mo. 8332. Ano ba? Fish missing. Ano ba yan, guys?
Bakit wala?
Bakit wala? Sydney in the Pinadal nyo na. Ito.
Ito dito yung ano. Heart.
Friendsgiving. Mother. Dapat English ka na.
Basta nung 4 p.m.
English ka
Huwag na. Huwag na.
Never mind.
Translate.
Bad boy.
Hindi na yung English.
itanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, ikaw lang ang aking mahal. At pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig
yan? Magkano yan?
Limited edition.
Hulaan kung nasan ang may-ari ng food. Okay, Gordon Ramsay. Anong ginagawa? Showing.
Master Chef.
Asan siya? Ayun siya, guys.
Supervisor.
Ano ko no?
Number 20 siya out of 20.
Sikat selling ka. Nangulat. Nangaling.
Di pa man kayo nag-beep. Nag-beep na ba sa buzzer na? Uy! Yung kalimutan mo na yan. Sige.
Junjun, sabi magpapatawa mo yan. Meron kayong
Napipikon na si
RRL?
Jory.
Bakit?
He's so very pikon.
Okay. Yung sa...
He's been waiting for like 10 minutes. Akala niya fast food.
Basta yung SDG, Nura and Nura.
No.
Ba't siya naging?
Kanina appetizers.
After, what are your vibes every day?
We will go there sa corner.
Sa corner.
Yeah, libot. Ay, grabe.
Maano, feeling ko uulan. Kaya walang hangin. Look at the sky.
Why hello, the fuck?
The fuck?
What's the next?
Hindi ako tala. Ngunit bakit sa'yo?
Ano name? Poodle yan? Ano name?
What's your name?
Whitey! Black.
What's your name, Andre?
Uy, nagawin!
Anong name? Ano? Alam ikaw, what's your name?
Sabi ni Mama, don't talk to strangers.
Di ako sira. Ngunit bakit ang sabi mo?
Ba't dinala mo?
Ay, OA. Parang OA.
Yun na lang. Saudi yan.
Uy, kayo pagparakaraw so na, malay mo. God-fearing yun.
Nakikinig ka ba?
Mabibigyan.
Okay, ready?
O baka nandyan ka na naman?
Why hello, the fuck? Andre, yung panty mo.
Uy, bilis na picture na!
Oh, I'm all for it.
Pabihirang naman, hindi ko napigilang tumakbo nang makita ka. Ano ang sasabihin kung ako'y kakausapin mo mula?
That's my doing.
Napatingin ako sa'yo at nahuli mo. Uyo, wala pa rin nagbago, nangihina pa rin ako. Pag Uyo, nang hinawakan mo, nagsibalikan mga nagla. Naman, at ako nakahiga sa balik.
May kusino sa yun may rice.
Sa gitna ng pag-uusap, humahaplos sa akin. Matamis na tinig mo, Hulyo, nang hinabakan mahal, nagsibalikan mga naglaho. Kasama ka, Hulyo.
Anong ginawa mo rin? Anong ginawa mo dyan sa ano?
Nakatag ko lang siya, guys.
Gumagalaw, gumaganyan yan.
Tuwing pumupunta ako dito, naaalala kong lahat. Parang kahapon lang. As this year ends, one thing has become clear for me. It's better trying than regretting. It's better to try, even if you fail. To speak your heart out, even if it's ignored. To fight for what makes you happy, even if it's uncertain. Because it means you cared, and that's what matters. In the end, kahit hindi mo nag-workout ang lahat, you can say, I have no regrets. I give it my all. 2024 isn't perfect, but it gave me the best lessons in life. So thank you for being part of this journey.